We are Space Division, on a mission to investigate a strange signal coming from the depths of space. Dodge!
That was close. Whoa!
That planet is pulling us off course. Look out, 63!
What's happening?
6 tens
And 3 ones.
60
And 3.
63! Oh, this is fun! It's impossible to stay in one piece! Whoa!
Oh no! 21?
2 tens
And 1 1.
54? 56? 1? They're all being split into tens and ones. The inner ring must be for ones and the middle ring for tens, which means the outer ring must be for hundreds. Is everyone okay?
I'm fine. I'm just stuck.
20.
And 1.
21. How are we going to escape these rings?
I'll go ahead and look for a way out.
63! Good luck! Hope you don't find any of those giant floating space rocks!
Oh, I don't want to worry anyone, but giant floating space rocks ahead!
We know what to do. 6 tens
And 3 ones.
minus 2 tens
And 1 1.
equals
40. And 2. 42. Don't panic. Toodaloo! Phew! That was close.
Ooh, 2 tens and 1 1.
21.
Where did he go?
42 can teleport, moving from one place to another in an instant. That's it! If we can all make 42s, we can teleport away from these rings!
2 tens and a 1. Am I glad to see you.
4 tens
And 2 ones.
40.
And 2.
42. Toodaloo!
Now we know what to do. Who's next?
Me, 54. What are the rules? Ooh.
You need 4 tens and 2 ones to make
42. Toodaloo!
That leaves 1 10 and 2 ones. I know who that is.
12. I need 3 tens. In a red and white fix, call 56.
Here are 3 tens. Now we can make
42. Teleport.
Agent 26, on the case. I only have 2 tens, so I'll need 2 more.
I'll give you 2 of mine. 100 is...
10 tens. Let's make 42s. 12 tens is the same as 3 groups of 4 tens.
Which is 3 40s.
And 6 ones is the same as
3 2s.
And 40
Plus 2.
equals
42. Teleport.
That just leaves me and... Oh.
Come with me, 1.
Where are we?
I think we made it, little one. To the space cloud!